Hey guys, it's Sophie, and today I'm going to be showing you my favourite slime. So this is it. It makes really cool bubbles. It doesn't crackle. It's stretchy. It has a really cool texture. It clicks. And it's super jiggly. And I really like it a lot. So I like it a lot. It spreads like butter, but it's not butter slime. And it's just really good. Hope you enjoyed this video.